Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate DC Universe on your Android TV box using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream your favorite DC content. Step 1. Ensure your Android TV box and Chromecast device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for casting to work properly. Step 2. On your Android TV box, open the Google Play Store and search for the DC Universe app. Download and install it if it's not already on your device. Step 3. Launch the DC Universe app on your Android TV box. If you already have an account, select Sign In. If not, you'll need to create an account first. Step 4. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen open as you'll need the code for the next steps. Step 5. On your smartphone or computer, visit the DC Universe activation website. The URL is typically displayed on the activation screen. Step 6. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the appropriate field on the website. Make sure to type it exactly as displayed. Step 7. Sign in to your DC Universe account if prompted, or create a new account by following the on-screen instructions and selecting your subscription plan. Step 8. Once activation is confirmed, your Android TV box will automatically refresh. You can now start streaming DC movies, shows, and comics directly on your TV using Chromecast functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.